Hi, in this video, we are going to turn this design. This is actually in Figma. If you don't know what Figma is actually a design tool where basically you can design anything. You can design a website, you can design an app, you can fully customize it based on your needs, like the way you want the website to be. Now, in this video, we are going to use basically three tools. One is Figma, where you can basically design what exactly you want. And the second one is builder.io. So builder.io is actually a bridge between Figma and Lovable. Lovable is an AI tool where you can write a prompt and it actually creates a website for you. So that's the idea of Lovable. When these tools were new, like text to prompt websites, I tried a couple of them, but I was not a big fan of these tools because as a product designer, I know every website has a goal. Some website has a goal of selling their stuff. Some website has a goal of, collecting email addresses. It's quite hard to write a prompt and get exactly what you want. And when you're doing this, when you're giving a prompt to the website, so let's just say if you want something on the top section or bottom section, it's actually quite hectic. But with this update, you have the design in Figma. So this is actually what you want. Now you are converting the exact same design, which is amazing. Once you have your design open, I downloaded this from Figma community. If you want to download the same file, I can add the link to the description of this video. All you have to do is select the page, then come here. So type builder.io. If you don't have install, you can simply just install the plugin. So yeah, so you have to click on it, and this is what you get. All right. Now click on export to code. It is analyzing the design and coding behind it. Let's give it a few seconds. There you go. It's working. And it's actually amazing. As a designer, you can not only design the layout, but actually convert the same layout to an actual working website. You can do a lot more now. You can bring more value to your clients, the company you are working in. So we are almost done. Everything is done. Now it's generating the code. All right, so now here it is showing the preview of the website. So just go through it and see if everything looks okay and everything is based on how you want it. So these are okay. I'll go with this one for now and open it with Lovable. From there, you have to click open with Lovable. Now it's actually connecting with Lovable. Allow it some time. Initially, when these tools were launched, I tried them all, but I never got what exactly I wanted. But this recent update just blown my mind away. Now I can convert any of my designs to an actual website or an app. All right, so it's almost done. Okay, now you have to click Launch Project and it will open Lovable. Inside Lovable, you can see everything is being done. This is actually the code. AI is writing the code of the exact same design we have given to Lovable from Figma. Look at that. This is amazing. All right, so this is the preview. So now this is the actual website. Let me just open it in a browser. You can see everything is within 100%, which we don't want. And there are no more effects or anything like that. Yep. So what I'm gonna do is give it a command, give it a prompt. Make sure the website is within the grid and the max width. And the second thing is make sure lower effects are working. Secondly, create work page and contact page. Make sure the word decay page is also added in the website. So do that. My user is can click work and see more details. All right, let me give it this prompt and see what exactly the results are going to be. The website is within the grid. The window is fixed. The hover effect is working. Great, this looks amazing. And let's see the pages. Okay, the work page, even though we haven't given the design of the work page, but you can see and click on it. Wow, awesome. And we can still go inside and see the project details and everything. And just keep in mind, like we have never given anything like in terms of design. Hit click on it, connect. Okay, amazing. So we have the contact us page as well. And one more thing I want to show you guys is they have a new feature. You can see this option added. For example, I want to change text in gaps or increase spaces. Now I can do that. So if I click add, you can see, let's say the logo, I don't want this gap. You can see the gap. I selected paddings are 42. We have some space here and from this side. I'll change this to 0 and you can see it's done. That's how I want it. Some of the images are not loading. You can click here, add the URL or generate images within Lovable. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you convert your Figma design file to an actual website. And this is really impressive. This is amazing, you know. So now not only you can design a website, but convert that design to an actual website. And one more thing, I just want to write another prompt saying add all the missing images which are not loading, generate the logos from your side and add images to testimonial section. Let's just see what happens now. So you can see these images are not loading. So I'm just asking Lovable to generate these images from your side. Now you can see it actually generated all these images. And we have different images. It's not perfect. The images are condensed, but I can change these by clicking on it and uploading another image. If I have to change anything, I can go here and change the gaps or anything I want. That's it for now, and I'll see you in my next video. If you liked this video, leave your comments below and let me know how excited you are to use this feature. I'll see you in the next video.